joined in the booth by Lee Corso and Kirk Herbstreit. And let me tell you, it is still hot out here for tonight's game between the Arizona State Sun Devils and the Bruins of UCLA. We're ready to bring you what should be one intense football game. And here come the Bruins. The Sun Devils come out like they're just going to roll over this team. What do you think about that, Herbie?
Arizona State comes into this football game led by their quarterback, and he's such a leader, Brad. Believe me, he won't buy into any of this pregame "we're going to blow him out" hoopla.
That nigga had no stats.
He'll be ready to play.
Nice pick. The Sun Devils are not going to lose this one.
Thanks, Coach.
I don't blame him, but boy, you must not know. I'm ready for this. I ain't got no smoke.
He's a heck of a player.
Damn, that nigga broke my fucking tackle. Golly, boy. Big ass nigga.
I just don't know if there's enough talent.
I ain't show his ass in the goddamn pregame show.
With such a great running back.
Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see.
They shift on their defensive front. He's off up the middle, and he's gonna lose yards.
Big star. Big boy number 88. You know that boy named Jake. You know he ain't never coming late.
Yeah, I'm married. Doesn't matter. You do that for me? Really? Yeah, I'd like that.
Who are you talking to?
It's Jake from State Farm. Sounds like a really good deal.
Jake from State Farm at 3 in the morning? Who is this?
It's Jake from State Farm.
What are you wearing, Jake from State Farm?
Khakis?
She sounds hideous.
Well, she's a guy.
It's 3rd down and 9 to go.
Yeah.
Ball on the 27. Arizona State in a 4-wide set. He's
I'm
running
clicking the
back.
wrong button to
Steps up.
print the card up.
Throws this one out to the left.
Oh my God. Number.
Airing it out on 3rd down. That was
Boy, you just got your ass cooked.
He'll get it again.
Ooh, that nigga hit my ass with a mean ass spin.
Nice 6-yard gain, but
Oh man.
Set of downs and continue to
These niggas did chewing the clock.
it's first
Game Madison, them niggas did saying, fuck me. They gonna launch that shit on my ass. These niggas, oh. They see you ran to the wrong side, nigga.
the defense comes up with a good
Game Madison was like, boy, we gonna air your ass out, nigga. For real.
2nd down and 12. And this is the 8th
Better
play.
catch up, dumbass.
One-man backfield.
Boy, where you going?
With a takedown. 3-yard gain by the
Bitch, stop it. You know what's crazy though? I ain't gonna lie. The Pac-12 has did so much without, and nobody really don't give them no problem. Like Arizona State's making the playoffs, Oregon's making the playoffs. That's 2 Pac-12 teams, but everybody win our division. Like, come on, man. That shit is beautiful, bro. That is very beautiful about how the Pac-12 just, these niggas wasted the whole quarter.
He's hit and got away. Loose football.
Got the ball back, nigga. Waste my quarter, nigga.
Lost the handle on that one.
Look out. That ball flew up there like a wet fart.
Thank God they don't got the challenge on their game.
15-yard line.
When I be seeing that red flag.
Martin with 3 wide receivers. Martin gives it up the middle. They'll bring him down.
Come on, y'all. We need some first down plays.
UCLA comes out in the shotgun. Setting up the play action. Short toss. Williams.
We gonna get that. We gonna get that rock off.
Play action pass.
Pause. We gonna put the ball on the motherfucking money. We gonna get it. We gonna get the ball where it needs to be at.
The Bruins set up in the gun. Martin drops the throw. He's looking. He rolls out to the left. He's gonna take off. And he's shoved out of bounds.
Oh, that was a waste of plays. I ain't gonna lie, that was a waste of player we just did. Shit, ooh.
They line up in the shotgun. Here's the call from the referee.
We'll get that. We'll get that.
Be called for an infraction. That will
Thought I seen something. I thought my eyes deceived me.
These young guys about committing
Boom.
Richter hunts it, and
Oh
he
my
doesn't get much
God.
distance on it. And this one's going to go out of bounds at the 20. The defense lines up with 6 DBs. They keep it on the ground with the tailback. Carlson with a takedown.
That's all these niggas do around, bro. Do something different. I don't do it yet. Yeah, I don't got to pass. My bad. I'm bullshitting. I'm bullshitting. I don't got to pass. I don't got to pass. I don't need y'all to pass. Hit on. Ah.
He may have been seriously injured on that play.
And the nigga down.
He's in a lot of pain down there. I hope he can bounce back from this one, you guys. He's a good kid.
Number 16 has four
Great
receivers
kid.
lined up here.
I said mama last night.
Arizona State. They'll throw on first down. With the throw. He spins around. Carlson with a
That nigga ain't even spin. That nigga got dumbfounded.
Number 16 lines up in the shotgun. Looking. He's going right. And it's intercepted. The defense is all over.
I found my position. Nicotine. Look at that pick. Look how he threw it. Oh, snag him. Snaggy. Shaggy. Pussy ass nigga, we on the 1 yard line.
1 yard line.
These niggas a hole, but they about to just blitz the fuck out of our eyes. This is sad.
They cannot afford to turn the ball over here. Clark brings him down. 0 yards on that play.
This nigga's out for 10 weeks. He was a soldier.
Ball in the air in this situation. It's a direct snap. They'll bring him down. Arizona State takes it.
Nigga, I just got a beautiful ass pick just for my ass to just be right here. You gotta love football.
They'll throw on first down. With the throw.
Oh my God. These niggas is doing everything. We got more yards and we still can't stop y'all.
Just executed and the result.
Bruh.
Arizona State lines up in a shotgun set. He's looking. Wants to go long and done. It's tipped. And he got it. What an amazing catch.
Ain't no fucking way he caught up 2 people.
Spectacular.
2 of my
Body
niggas.
control there on the long pass reception.
Look at bitch because we don't got that shit.
Red zone. When performance matters the most. Flags are all over the place. They'll blow
My God, bro. What the fuck just happened? What in the holy fuck just happened, bro? We went from snapping to this
on the ground, left side.
pussy. Oh my God.
Executed play there. Good blocking by the big guys.
This shit ain't real, bro. This shit is not real, bro. That nigga snapped on 2 of my DBs, bro.
The Bruins set up in the gun. Martin steps back to pass. Rolls to the left. Wants to throw outside. Got it to the senior.
Out of bounds.
Nice decision by the quarterback.
Yeah, first down. Go. Line that nigga.
Defense lines up with 6 DBs. Martin drops back on first down. It's deflected.
Boy, what type of pass? What is that, nigga? You ain't even lead him to the ball. You just. So,
Ball on the 39.
I don't know who I'm passing the ball to. Ooh.
Martin with 4 wide receivers. Martin drops back, steps up in the pocket, looks, rolls right. He keeps it. There he goes. Robinson with a takedown. UCLA calls a timeout.
Hail Mary. Hail Mary. Hail Mary. Who I'm passing the ball to, though? I feel like I got niggas who can catch from both
He
sides.
drops back. Heaves a long one.
Boy, you throw it in the middle? Alright, we get the ball back.
That'll do it for the first half of play. Our halftime score, Arizona State 7, UCLA nothing. Lines up in the shotgun. On the ground with the tailback. Tackle.
Big third down. Big 30. Big 30. You feel me? No nigga don't want to run me 30.
First and 10.
For real.
Ball on the
There go.
35-yard line.
Come on, Shaw.
UCLA lines up with 3 receivers. They'll throw on first down. He's looking across the middle. Got it to him on the run.
Way to look it in. Nice catch.
One-man backfield. Rolling out to the right side.
Look at that. Look at me putting the ball on the motherfucking money. Blue for the two. Blue for the two. Hey. 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 Good block. Look at my QB blocking. He's a dog. Come on, man. I see Shaw wide open.
Martin with 3 wide receivers. Martin sets up the play action. Throws it out there. Incomplete. And he
Shaw ain't read the ball. That's Shaw's fault, bro. That was Shaw. Shaw should have aimed for that shit. But it's okay though, bro. We learn. We live, we learn.
this impact tailback
I'm gonna try to get a first down on the QB.
ball in his hands right now. He's rolling left. Guns it to the end zone. And they couldn't hook up on that one.
The nigga is inaccurate. We got Shaw right here.
Shotgun. Back to pass. Looking. Here comes the pressure. And they get the sack. They get to the quarterback and end that play.
I got ton of vision.
They snap it to the back.
Oh, good throw.
Here's an opening.
Damn.
Brought down. That was a pretty good run.
Incredible effort there.
This nigga.
running the football by this
What
guy.
the fuck? Oh man, we playing against a
It's first and
good
10.
ass team.
The third quarter. Our score in this one, Arizona State 7, UCLA nothing. The Devils line up with 2 tight ends. Here's a counter play. Here he goes. The 10. Sun Devils. Second touchdown there by the
It's cool. It's my first year here. I don't got a QB. I don't got a receiver. I don't got a tight end. But best believe once I recruit, and I am recruiting, I'm gonna do my recruiting. Once that recruiting shit happens, when we get to that recruiting, you feel me, that little 6-7 week recruiting phase, I will be getting my receiver. I will be getting my quarterback. I will be getting my running back, a running back that I like. I want these motherfuckers to fucking transfer, leave, quit, whatever. I'm about to get what I need, bro. Yeah, we got no yards.
Berger wants the ball. We'll see if they give it to him. Looks, rolls to the right. Throws it to the outside. Got it. He's got an opening.
Go, nigga, go. Go, nigga, go. Go, nigga, go. Oh, that was my touchdown.
That was a big time play, and who set it down?
I think the defense might have
No, y'all about to spike.
Well, I don't blame him. It's pretty common to see a run on first and second down, but this offense is keeping them guessing.
This is the kind of running back who can make you pay when he's in the zone.
My nigga about to be in the zone. Go, nigga, go. Go, nigga, go. Woo! Nicotine. And we back in this bitch. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Hey, that nigga heard me. I told this nigga, hey, bruh, if you don't tee up, you might as well pack your motherfucking bags and go somewhere else, nigga. Cause you not about to play for me if you keep running like that.
Back to pass. Steps up. He's looking. Wants to throw outside. Here's an opening. Across midfield. At the 40. At the 30. To the 20.
This shit ain't it. Oh man, bro, we just scored and you can't get a fucking pick. You can't even tip that nigga. You can't even tackle him. Davis ain't gonna be able to do all that shit every fucking trip. I don't think so.
UCLA comes to the line. Only one man in the backfield. Spin move. They'll bring him
Two.
down. And that was a nice run.
Hey, they running back cold.
Offensive line.
My bad, man. I disrespect the wrong nigga. They running back cold. They running back know what he doing.
They line up to punt this one away. Richter punts it, and it's a good one. Number 22 takes it to 14.
This nigga just got out of there.
Down the sideline. At the 40.
What the fuck?
To the 20. Goodbye. What a huge return.
Did you see how he accelerated through that hole? And once he hit the open field, it was just pure speed.
We're the history bus for the road game. I don't got no receivers for real.
UCLA comes out of the shot.
Roll out.
He's rolling right. He throws a dart to the right. Found his man. Inside the 30. To the 10.
This running back is really about to be my nigga.
The halfback
He's that nigga.
ball on the pass play.
We send straight pressure.
3rd and 6.
Send straight pressure.
29. The Devils come out in a bunch formation. And the snap goes to the back.
Time out.
Lose yards on this one.
Time out.
UCLA calls it
Time out. Just like that. Just like that, bro. Just like that. That's how you do that.
Martin with 3 wide receivers. Looks, rolls right. Throws it to the outside. Found his man. Inside the 30.
Never say never. Look at that. Come on.
In the red zone. So their last red zone visit resulted in a touchdown. Let's see if the defense can hold them this time. He zips it out.
Touchdown. Head talk. Head talk. That's how you do this. That's how you get back in the game. That's how you do this shit. All right, y'all. Onside kick. Onside kick, y'all. This is when the money come in. Hello. Oh, I didn't get it.
Here's the onside kick.
Turn down the motherfucking music. The fuck is the band playing music for, fam?
UCLA.
The fuck is the band playing music for, fam? Here we go.
With the onside kick. He's hit and got away.
They won.
Onside kick team couldn't get
They
the
won.
ball back, so now we'll see
GG's.
the gun. They'll try to get the first on the ground. Jets that one.
Boy, ain't no way,
Ain't
boy.
no fucking way.
Boy, ain't no fucking way.
Ain't no fucking way. Yep, GG's. The nigga had this GG's, man. Ain't no fucking way, man. So y'all, we just got our eye whooped, man. The epic comeback, but shit's crazy, man. Yeah, I don't know. Nah, nigga, just get your ass off the field, crying, bitch. You should have played like that in the first half, fuck, nigga. Should have played like that against fucking James Madison, fuck, nigga. It's cool, though. We got potential. We got potential. Best believe we got potential. Alright, y'all. So let's look at our week 2 top 25. Because you know I'm not no bias ass nigga. I'm going to look at other teams. Because I might be at that team in a couple years. So, you know, I got it. You feel me? So we got Arizona, Houston. Not so good. Not so good for them motherfucking Houston, the Tigers, too. So, yeah. Not good for Houston. But shout out Arizona. And, hey. Texas is making the SEC look sweet, man. Quitting yours. Hey, look at them mighty Ducks. Yeah. Trash ass Georgia Bulldogs. Penn State, mid. Utah beating the mid-ass Mississippi State team. Florida State not that good, but they got a dub. Shout out Florida State. Alabama. You ranked 20. There's bias on this game, too, I see. They should be unranked, but hey, they should be right where I'm at. Florida's 2-0. I said 2-0, 0-2. Ole Miss, they throwing darts. Hey, bitch would have played like that in RL, boy. NC State beats Navy. Michigan, yeah, okay. Oh, Miami. Yeah, my. Miami, Cam Ward, 406 yards, but they defense looking shitty on here too, I guess. Yeah, their defense did not fulfill the job, bro. Notre Dame, they just smacked them niggas. Jackson State smacks, Kansas State smacked Jackson State, but it's a close game. Okay, that's looking straight. Yeah. Oh, North Texas, we had an upset. North Texas beat Oklahoma State. That's a good upset. We had another upset. Kentucky, they beat fucking USC. Another upset. That's great. We had a looking ass. LSU beat South Carolina. I wonder if they had a fucking call back a couple pick six on these niggas. You know how they do. Before I leave, man, you know I gotta look at the top 25 and the highs, man. You feel me? We gotta do that shit. So top 25, USA Today coaching poll. We got Georgia number 1, Ohio State number 2, Ole Miss number 3, Texas number 4, Michigan number 5. And your dog gonna read all of it, boy. You better use the motherfucking eyes. And yeah, you see. Yeah, LSU 8. I wish my Ducks would be higher, but I mean, I guess they don't got nobody with 1 loss, so I guess. So yeah, it looked decent. They shouldn't be in here. Look at SMU. Being ranked because of a bye week. You know what I'm saying? on here, but and you can look at this poll too. Damn near identical almost without the SMU. Okay. But who was our early Heisman favorites, man? Carson Beck. Putting years. This nigga. And this nigga. I know this nigga and I don't know these two receivers, but I know these three though. Well, y'all, man, I see you in the morning.